Welcome to the Marine Reserve MSC Cruises Ocean Cay. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite things to do on this island. Like for example, this beautiful beach where you can swim between your giant cruise ship and this beautiful lighthouse. There is a designated area which is super safe. And I have no idea why the people are still on the ship. Look at that. The beach is completely empty. To be honest with you, I'm not sure if I've ever seen a place where you can swim so close to the ship. Just look at my face. I always smile when I have opportunity to walk around this island, especially in the morning. I'm a morning person. I used to be a night owl, but in these days, I really like to wake up at 6:20, just, make the most important things in the morning. Enjoy this beautiful sunlight, morning sunlight. It's a different thing. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the other side of the island, to the helipad area, where I always get to the edge of the island and I like to stare at this beautiful turquoise water and look for some marine life. You never know. We are in the middle of the ocean. You might spot some shark or stingray. Look at this, guys. What a brilliant idea. Speaking of walking around the islands, there are tons of speakers on the right and left side with different genres of music. I think this idea is pretty cool. And there are different zones. You can have reggae 5 minutes ago, and when you approach spa area, there is the spa music, which is cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit down next to the water. Oh, wow, super nice. Stones are pretty sharp. What a cool place, look at that. So another favorite thing on my list about this island is that it's super clean. Woo, that is pretty cool. You can meet local people around this island who constantly clean those places, and walking around those places is just a pure pleasure. And I just realized how crazy it is that I'm completely alone in this place. It's like, look at that on the other side. It's like two people walking, super cool. All right, I need to get to the helipad today and show you guys around. Oh my God, and this water, it always amazes me. On my way to the helipad, on the right side right now, there is a beach that I like to go to because look at that, it's completely empty. Unfortunately, the entrance to the water is very rocky, and if you don't like walking on stones, you have to go to the other side of the island. The sand is much softer and the entrance to the water, it's not that rocky, but I absolutely don't mind. I almost forgot to tell you, 2 months ago, I saw 2 stingrays on this beach swimming along the beach. I thought this is pretty cool, and I'm gonna tell you. Somehow, near this beach, lives our best friend from this island, the yellow parrot Paquita, and she is right there. Paquita, hello. How are you today? She's really cute, but she likes to bite. Be careful. There are a bunch of restrooms around. Every restroom is super clean and well maintained. And showers. Look at that. It's 5 of them here. You have a hanger. You can hang your towel. You can take a shower. Paquita, Are you still digging? Are you still digging, baby? Baby Paquita? Paquitka? Oh, Jesus, what are you doing? Are you hungry? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the helipad. Finally, we are approaching the end of the island. Last year, a flock of iguanas was sitting around those rocks. There were maybe 50 of them, orange and green ones, and one of them was the biggest I've ever seen in my life. I don't know what happened to them, but there are 0 iguanas this year. I'm gonna go ahead and start walking back to the ship. Paquita, I'll be back, baby. I'll be back. Along the way, I passed several bars on my left and right, and there are also 2 large outdoor buffet areas where you can eat your lunch. How cool is that? This is a Boho Buffet, which is brand new. It was opened a few months ago and it's super nice and clean. On the other side, there is a beach where most of the people like to come and enjoy beautiful water, sand, and the weather. If you don't like big waves, that's the place where you want to go, because in this area the water is always nice and calm. There are many lifeguards sitting and watching after you. This area is probably the safest because it's also shallow. On this side of the island, next to the beach on my left side, there are 2 pathways. One over here on the right side is for the car only, and that one, which I'm walking right now, is for the people. So you want to stay on the left hand side. I really like this bridge area. As I crossed the bridge, I just realized that I told you that I'm heading back to the ship, but I found myself on the other side of the island. Whew. That was close. Oh, look at you. What a cozy place. I've never seen that place here. Crew members only. Wow. Look at that. Cool. A private beach for crew members. To get a sip of water. It's really hot. Today it's 6th of December and definitely it's really hot, surprisingly. As you can see, I'm back on board and later on I'm going to do some workouts. So if you would like to see my workout from the MSC Seashore Gym, click right here, and thank you very much for watching this beautiful island video, and I will see you in the next one.